So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the next day on GBP USD. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you stay updated by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll be giving you guys more updates in the Telegram. So the link will be in the comment section. So this is GBP USD. As you can see, our overall trend is literally on an uptrend move, right? Now, if you take a look at something here, market is literally trending within this level. That is, if you are to roll down to our 1 hour time frame, market is literally trending upward. As you can see, a series of higher high and then higher low. As you can see, higher high, higher low, our higher high, and then is this higher low. This is the higher high. So our next movement will be an higher low. So be expecting a pullback from this level. So there should be a drop. Once we get the higher low, then we can now be expecting a new higher high. But first of all, our target is an higher low. So be expecting a sell in GBP USD first. Then we can now target the new movement. So I'll cover more dates in the Telegram.